Click subscribe for update video every day.
The great thing about washers and dryers is that they don't necessarily need to be beautiful. They are almost always concealed behind closed doors. Yet you may find yourself wishing you had hookups in the foyer when you lay eyes on the 9100 series washer, the partner to you. This stunning front loader features a shimmery, dark gray finish. Samsung calls it onyx, with chrome-colored accents and sleek lines. With a nice flat work surface as a top, a tinted convex door lends to the stylish and futuristic look. Above the door, you have a soap drawer, which is split into 3 useful compartments: pre-wash, detergent, and bleach softener. The machine automatically releases each soap at the appropriate time in the cycle. In the center of the top front panel is a sizable control knob, which features a flashing blue LED to indicate the chosen function. As for cycles, there are 15 presets from which to choose, from normal and quick wash to towels, deep steam, and even sanitize. Finally, there is a 4-inch LED display surrounded by additional feature buttons, with the power and start, pause keys located to the right. The latter are slightly bubbled out and give nice tactile feedback when pressed. The Samsung 9100 is a sturdy washer, with a massive 5.6 cubic foot capacity that can handle an entire family's laundry. It provides nearly every feature a bustling family could hope for too, including deep steam for removing stains, eco-cold for energy-saving everyday washing, and an allergen cycle that is optimized to remove dust mites, pet dander, and more. You may find yourself wishing you had hookups in the foyer when you lay eyes on the 9100 series. There is also a My Cycle feature that lets you save a custom one-button wash setting, and you can program the washer to start at a later time with the delay end feature. Here, you set a countdown timer of up to 24 hours to specify when a load should start. Plus, there is a child lock function that automatically locks the door and prevents the washer from being activated on accident. And of course, they got to love the Self-Clean Plus feature, which removes any mold or bacteria that may occur inside the machine. The 9100 washer reminds you to activate this feature after every 40 loads. Although the Samsung 9100 doesn't include Wi-Fi or any integrated app, there is